Lovart AI Review 2025. Is this the best AI tool for designers and creators? So let's break it down. So make sure to like and subscribe. Lovart AI is an emerging design platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you generate images, artwork, and branding content with ease. The first thing that you will notice is the clean dashboard. You can start generating art right away by typing simple prompt. For example, is this one. And then you can tweak the settings like style, the aspect ratio, the colors, and even the image mood before hitting generate. And then this helps refine the results without writing complex prompts. Compared to tools like Midjourney or Canva, Lovart is easier to use and more focused on AI-driven outputs. It's perfect for solo entrepreneurs, content creators, or small businesses looking to save time on branding. In terms of pricing, Lovart offers a freemium model with limited daily generations. Paid plans unlock more features and higher resolution downloads. For anyone looking for an intuitive with basic designs, this is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.